Lecture is judicial review. Judicial review is the power of the court to pronounce upon the constitutionality of the legislature and the executive acts of the government which fall within the normal jurisdiction. It has the origin in the theory of limited government and in the theory of two laws, that is the ordinary law and the supreme law, that is the constitution. According to Basu, in his book Basu's Commentaries on the Constitution of India, Volume 1, any act of the ordinary law making bodies which contravenes the provisions of the supreme law must be void, and there must be some organ which is to possess the power or authority to pronounce such legislative acts void. In Fundamental Right case, Justice Khanna said that judicial review has become an integral part of our constitution and a power has been vested in the High Courts and the Supreme Court to decide about the constitutional validity of the provisions of the statutes. If the provisions of the statutes are found to be violative of any of the articles of the Constitution, which is the touchstone for the validity of all the laws, the Supreme Court and the High Courts are empowered to strike down the said provisions. If the provisions of the statutes are violative, then the Supreme Court has a right and the High Court has a right to impart the said provisions. When the legislature, executive and judiciary have harmed the constitutional values and denied the rights which have been definite under the Indian Constitution to Indian inhabitants, in such circumstances, the judicial review plays a very important role as a protector for safeguarding the rights of the people. It is a long back journey where we are right now. However, judiciary has faced a lot of burden of many technocrats, lawyers, politicians and academics. The parliamentary form of democracy which is adopted in India, wherein every section of people is involved in decision making and policy making process. Every organ reflects fair representation of every section of the society. This is the kind of wide ranging democracy. It is the consciousness, responsibility in each republic, country and democracy. Thank you.